There you are, golf ball of the day. Where is it? There you are. This one? Hey, there's number 2. Oh, I've been smashing them up here. What's that? Dunlop. Yeah. Dunlop 65. Yeah, again. This was one of the first little chiffchaffs I found, which was feathered. I mean, it's got a lot more feathers in there now. It's a beauty little nest, but no eggs. It's unusual. I expected to see eggs in there today. Horrible day today. It's cold. Drizzle. Aye. Shame. Well, as you can see there, disaster at the Dunnock's nest. Last time I checked that, clutch of 3 I think that had. And this little gorse, there's the one you can see nicely into. I've got another couple of Dunnocks in 2 other areas, but that's a shame that. Getting to that. Never mind, we'll move on. Just here, I've seen both willow warbler and chiffchaff, heard them singing, and I think that, oh, the sun's shining in, I don't know if you're getting that, but that is the earliest beginnings. Move that bramble across. Yeah. Yeah, I might hang around this area and see if anything goes in there and what it is. But I've got the chickies and the willow warblers here, so that it's awkward. There, I just took that away. There. That's the beginnings there. Definitely. I'll tuck that back up. Sitting in there. Oh, that looked old. Oh. Predation, I think. Aye. I had that one as well, blackbird. Leaning over. Yeah, it looked a bit hacked that side. Lost that one. The bully's been going crazy here. I'll have a little look for that. Never mind, and get out. Just sat in this little area, just in behind them little stumps there, there's a taller gorse. And the wren's been flitting in and out. There, I'll go across and have a look. Little stumps, and then in that one there. Yeah. Actively building a nest in there, no doubt. I'll check that in a minute. Looking in there. That's what he's building up. Can you see that? No, he's not. Maybe he's round there. Yeah. Loads of bracken. There's plenty on the deck, as you can see. But yeah, in and out. And that's what he's got so far. There. Bit of work to do. We'll let him get on with it. just wandering in here. This is a new song thrush going in it. All that fresh moss there. You can see where it's pinning the nest through in the bottom. It just looks very fresh, that. That's it. It's going in. It's nestled in there. It could be. Get out. This one here. It's got a brand new bullfinch, that. About head height. I've never checked over the top yet. I'll see. Nothing in as yet, but that is an absolute corker. And we'll have eggs very soon. Superb lining. Lovely, that. Yeah, just little sticks at the side. Yeah, that's a cracker. Yeah, bullfinch ready to go. Well, if that song thrush wasn't new before, the one I've just found before, this one certainly is. It's exposed in this, it's like a broken broom on its side. There's no cover, but you can see, I mean, look at that damp clay in there. It's a beauty. Oh, that's a cracker. Get out. A little bit of work on the inside, as you can see. See a little broom branch running through the bottom there. Aye. Love it. That one. See that one there? It's another tipped song thrush nest in this gorse. It's just tipped on one side. The crop on the inside. It's been brand new, that. Tipped. Raided and tipped. I'm thinking. See anything on the deck? Right. It's been a beaut. Never mind. Get out. Looking at that one there, I think that there's some new blackbirds going in there. You can see that there. I know this gorse very well, or this area of gorse, and that hasn't been there. But yeah, I mean, all that fresh at the top, I think that's a new blackbird. It's a little beauty. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get out. Just in there, that one, it's taken me ages to get. That is a lovely willow warbler's nest, that. I watched it come in here a couple of times and I did a first approach, didn't see it come out, and then it came back in and there it is. It's got no eggs in it at the minute. It's ready to go. It's an absolute beauty, that. Let's see past the grass, but let's get it in there. What a little, just in this little right up grass here. Oh, beauty. Get out. Look at that little fella in there. back of this gorse. It's right on the path. Just caught a little bit of the bracken at the bottom. Facing the opposite side. He's built that up, lovely. Yeah, we'll get out. It's right on the path here, so I'm going to get out here. Right, I'm on the last leg now. I've got one last little area to check. Done quite a bit of gorse today, a lot of bramble. Lovely little willow warbler's nest, fantastic little nest. I've just come across a wren there, right on the path. This one standalone little section of gorse. It's a little beauty. The blackbird I've passed just along this little path, and it's sitting tight. I think that's had the clutch of 4. I'm just watching this little touch of bramble here. See if I can get anything going in. I've heard quite a few blackcap today. I've seen quite a few, which has been great. No whitethroat. Seen nor heard. And I've been in some main areas where I normally get them. This last one is a big area for them, so I might catch one up there. The rain was just woeful this morning, just that drizzle, cold. It's fared up a bit this afternoon. I've been able to get a check on a few things. But last little section, see if I can find anything now. Just been watching a little chiffchaff, and I've just come back and spotted that in the. Yeah, it's been a pheasant, been a one. Old now that. Oh, the eggs intact, mate. 2 discoloured ones, 3 discoloured ones. Right. I've just caught this little willow warbler here in this grass here. It's a ball moss dome, and I caught the little bird come in with a feather. Seen it with a feather and it dropped. It still took a while to find it, but it's putting feathers in there now. It'll be back soon. And the second sweep in, because I couldn't see it the first time. Aye, there it is. Yeah, it's a nice, it's the second one of the day. Champion. That's a beauty. I have to mark it somehow. Just sitting in the last area here, really. I've diverted from that one I had planned because the kids have got a tent in there. Which annoyed the hell out of us, and when I thought about it, you think back when you're kids, bringing the ball around. I'm sure there's some old git wanting to find chiffchaffs then as well. Never mind, I've switched into this one and see what I can hear up here. And also blackcap earlier this morning. See if I can get anything dropping in. Just there, you see a lovely song thrush nestled in Lovely camouflage. It's got one solitary egg in there as well. Aye. Beauty. Just in this little overhang. Plenty of cover. Aye. That's what I got my eye on. Oh, beauty. Beauty.